This is weird, but what if I told you there's an app that gives you $50 just to start investing? Not points, not credits, actual real estate shares. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real, and it's called Fundrise. Welcome back to For the Loto, where we help you make smart money moves, even in a crazy economy. If you've ever thought about investing but felt like you didn't have enough money, too little time, or just didn't know where to start, I've been there. Not long ago, inflation was crushing my savings, and I wanted to start investing, but I didn't have thousands of dollars to buy properties. The cost of everything was rising, but my money wasn't keeping up. That's when I started digging for real options. I didn't want hype. I wanted low-cost, real wealth-building tools. That's when I found Fundrise. Fundrise is a real estate investing platform that lets everyday people own shares in real estate projects, stuff like apartment buildings, rental homes, and commercial development. And here's the kicker. You can start with just $10, and they'll give you $50 in bonus shares when you sign up. This $50 isn't just a reward, it's a jumpstart to your investing dream. That's real ownership, not fake rewards. Here's why Fundrise stands out. Over 2 million people have already joined. You're not alone. This platform is trusted by millions of everyday investors across the US. Low barrier to entry, $10 minimum makes it possible for almost anyone to start. Passive income potential. Fundrise properties generate rental income and growth, and you earn your share. It's real ownership. You're not just playing the market, you're building something long-term. Personally, I've been using Fundrise and I love how transparent they are. Every time they acquire a new property or make a major move, I get an email update breaking it all down. It's like having a team of real estate pros working for you behind the scenes. And unlike stock trading apps that feel like a roller coaster, Fundrise feels calm, solid, and focused on growth. And that $50 bonus, it might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's symbolic. It's that first step. It's Fundrise saying, hey, we believe in your dream to invest. It's a small amount with a big meaning. And for many people, including myself, it's the first real estate investment we've ever owned. So if you're a remote worker, a side hustler, or just someone tired of watching your savings lose value, tap the link below, create your Fundrise account, and get $50 in bonus real estate shares. That one move could be the beginning of your passive income journey. Subscribe for more smart money moves. And remember, this is wealth building for the low-tho.